Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am creating this video as part of a collab with Babies, Bills and Beauty. Her name is Ray and she is a mom of 3 boys, and she does videos based on motherhood and life in general. So make sure you check her out. I will link her video, her YouTube channel down below. So make sure you check her out once you're done watching my video. So we are doing a power hour, but because I didn't quite have an hour to do this, I am doing more of a 30-30, which I've seen some people do on YouTube. I'm not quite sure who came up with it, but this is what I'm doing. So I set my timer for 30 minutes, and as I showed you, my room, it's my craft room. It's where I make a lot of my projects. So it's just an area of my basement that I dedicated to my craft projects. So I set my timer for 30 minutes, and I need to get as much done in that 30 minutes as possible because I'm doing this before my day starts, so before the daycare kids come. So I wanted to get it cleaned up, and I had about 30 minutes to do so. So I thought, well, what a better way than to kick my butt in gear to get things cleaned up. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it gives you motivation for this motivational Monday, and make sure you check Ray's channel out. I will link it down below, and enjoy. I will stop talking now. Enjoy the video. Timer just went off, and I am pleased with my accomplishment. I did get most of it done. I just have to run a vacuum, which I will do once I vacuum the daycare room at the end of the day. And I also just have to take the saw upstairs, which I will do right after I'm done talking to you guys. And that's the steamer, carpets cleaner. It'll stay here. So as you can see, garbage needs to go up. That yellow bin is a bin with sleeping bags and mattresses. My son had a sleepover earlier in the weekend, so I had to pack it up. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you check out Ray's channel, which will be linked down below. And until next time, have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.